recording this on my YouTube channel.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Wow.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below.
Oh, look, there's a house over there.
People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach.
You guys
Steam
have,
power
Mom?
not
You
only
guys
fueled
have?
these iron horses,
Been
but
traveling
the dreams of a
on
whole new
trains?
generation as it moved west into this
Huh?
great frontier.
On trains.
Of course, some of those dreams and the stories
Oh,
that
because
went
that's
with
what it
them
said.
were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those
What's
mining
that?
trains and turned them into the wildest
Thunder
ride in the
Mountain?
wilderness.
That one. Wow, I forgot how tall that mountain was. Oh no!
Oh, it's cool starting it.
Here, one shall find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
It's pitch black.
It's Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown. Carefully from the train, have fun, and say hi to Mickey and Minnie for me. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.